Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming firmware versions and backing up configurations because mismatched code breaks routing. Once done, power cycle the gateway and the closest node to clear transient issues. Make sure to plug a laptop into the main node and open the controller interface. Note IP addresses and current logs. If you see partition nodes, mark them for reprovisioning. This first pass eliminates easy faults and gives you the state you need to execute deeper repairs without guessing. Next, you reprovision problem nodes so they receive a clean configuration, because corrupted states often persist across reboots. Once reprovisioned, force a routing table resync and watch the mesh heartbeats. Ensure each node lists expected neighbors. If wireless links remain flaky, make a temporary wired backhaul to stabilize topology while you troubleshoot radio settings. Also check channel overlap and TX power. Adjust so nodes see each other reliably. To finish, validate the mesh with throughput and latency tests. You need measurable confirmation that links are stable, so test multiple paths and check packet loss. Once results are good, restore the final configuration and update firmware across nodes, then remove any temporary wired backhaul. If problems persist, swap suspected node hardware and repeat tests on a single node to isolate the fault. One key troubleshooting tip. If symptoms repeat after reset, suspect a hardware radio failure rather than software configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.